This conference will now be recorded.
Hi friends, welcome to the writing. Yes, my name is Ratan. Guys, we're discussing COREJAVA assignments. The last assignments we talk about the multiplication table, right? Table we are printing. So table print up to given number. Hmm? And this video will go over the assignment like using next if else condition, guys. Using next if else condition. Very simple, guys. Take the number from end user. Check it is a positive or negative number. Positive or negative or zero. And print it is a even number or odd number. Yes, you please check the requirement once. Take the number from end user. Okay, take the number from end user. Check it is a positive or negative or zero. I'm checking that is a positive or negative or zero. After that, print that the number is even number or odd number. And if I enter the number 2 means what number is a I need to get the message like number is the positive and even. If I get the -7, negative and odd. I need to get the message like this. You enter the number 0 means what? Your number is 0, right? Just like this. Because you please pause the video, you try start writing the assignment. After that you can start the video, right? Exactly, maybe you guys are doing like that only. Yeah, you can follow like that. Take the number from end user, check that check it is positive or negative or zero, and print it is even number or what, odd number, right? Enter a number 2, number is a positive and even. Enter number -7, negative and odd. Enter number 0 means what, your number is 0. That's it, guys. Just to do the practicals, let me use edit plus only. And in last two assignments we done with edit plus. Go for the edit plus, guys. Java test class. This requirement, guys. First of all, take the number from end user. I think most of the example first we need to take the number from end user, right? So system dot in scanner is equal to new scanner system dot in. Just tell me system dot how to dot println. Yeah, println of what? Enter a number, right? Common story. And we need to import the scanner class. How to import? Import. Yeah, import. Tell me import java.util.what scanner class, right? Okay, fine. Because after taking the number, I need to check that number is the positive, negative, or zero. Because let me check one point here. Oh, first take the number. Okay, good. Scanner dot which mother gets here? Next enter. Then you can take the int number, right? Guys, I'm writing the code how it will see check once. You guys will write the code like this line. How you guys will write int number equal to scanner dot whatever next enter. This is very bad way of writing the code. Don't write the code like this, guys. See, for example, if you write the code, you know that it returns the integer, guys. That is okay. But in the real time, you will not write the code like that. In the real time, how you will write the code? Scanner dot first of all read the data. After reading the data, then we need to hold the data in left hand side. See, which one is better? Writing the code from left to right or right to left? First of all, you need to read the data. After reading, we need to store the data, right? Guys, after reading only, we need to store the data. Yeah, enter a number. I took the number. After taking the number, just you can check the number is what. Yeah. After that, we need to check the number. Number is greater than what? Tell me your number is what? Number is greater than zero. Because number is greater than zero means what? What type of data it is? It is like greater than zero means positive number, right? After positive number, what is this assignment is saying that take the number from end user, check it is a positive or negative or zero, and print it is even number or odd number. And print it is what, even or odd, right? In that case, what happened? Tell me here. Enter a number 2. Positive and even I want message. This message I want. In that case, tell me here, in that case, just open the code. Now number is greater than 0 means what? It's a positive number. Again here we need to check that number is percentile to double equal 0. If it is a percentile to double equal 0, then number is what type of number, guys? That number is what? Number is what? A positive and even, right? This number is what? Positive and even. Here else block, what you will write? The system dot out dot println. Number is positive only because this if condition says that it's a positive. This if condition says that is a even. Number is a positive and even. Else block is what? Number is positive only and odd, right? Odd value. Has you got the point or not? Exactly. Yes, next one is what? We can write else if condition. If number less than 0. Less than 0 means positive and even. Positive and odd. Less than 0 means what? Negative, right? You can write the code with the negative values. Okay, else if number is less than 0. Then what happened, guys? Number is what? Negative, positive. So negative, right? Negative and even. Guys, number is what? Negative and what? Even, right? Number is the negative and even. Whatever next one, guys, here? Number is the positive and even, right? Odd, right? Not positive here. This is also what? Negative, right? Other than this positive and negative, the remaining data is what? I no need to check the condition. Simply can make the else block, the system dot out dot println of. Tell me, so your number is what? Your number is what? 0, right? 0. That's it, guys. Your number is 0. Slowly we need to check the condition, guys. First of all, we need to check that number is a positive. Okay, if it is a positive means then check the even number or odd number. If this condition is matched up, number is a positive and even. Number is what? Positive and even, right? Otherwise, number is what? Positive and odd. Less than 0 means what? Number is negative. Negative or even or odd. These two conditions, positive and what? Negative. Other than positive, negative, next one is what? Tell me here, other than positive or negative. Next one is a 0, right? No, this is a code, guys. I think I understood, right? Just we can save this code. Local disk D, the file is tested.java. Just open the command prompt. One of the guys commented, sir, how to open this run. Windows R is a shortcut, guys. Windows R is shortcut. Here you need to type the CMD command. Then command prompt is opened. Local disk D, my file is there. Then account compile from java.c-test.java. This code is compiled fine. Yeah, no errors, guys. Without errors, the code is compiling properly. Java class is called what? Test class. Enter a number, guys. What is the number? Tell me. Enter a number. I entered number like 4. 4 is a positive, right? Number is a positive and even. Number is what? Positive and even, right? If I enter like 9, number is a positive and odd only. If I enter the number like tell me guys, minus 4, otherwise minus 8, then you can get the number is what? Negative, right? Negative and even number it is. The last one is what? So minus 79. 79 means what? Number is a negative and odd, right? And what? Odd. At last you can see enter something like 0. 0 means, yeah, this is your number is what? 0, right? Yes, your number is what? 0 or not? Exactly. The code is working good, right? Yes, yes or no, code is working or not? Which is answer for that assignment. Did you got the clarity, right? This is like assignment. Yes, can you please pause the video and you please write the answers for that all assignments. So in notebook, every assignment you can please maintain in one page, one assignment. Guys, one page what? One assignment, right? One page, one assignment you have to maintain. So clear, right? All assignments are important, right? Because please comment that videos, so going good or not. Ratan sir is teaching good or not. Whatever you feel, just you can comment. Then you'll get some boosting, right? Yeah. Just you can. I hope everyone maintain the notes. No, please maintain the note for all the assignments. Okay. Because up to this one, for you it is very very important assignments. Last 1 minute for me important, right? Like the video. Tell me, like the video. Comment the video. Feeling important, comment the video, subscribe to our channel to get the more videos, right? Yeah, so thank you guys, meet in next video. I will go for the next question. Thank you.